In this life, we all search for something, something good and something oh so pure. Well, I believe that if you find that one thing, you must find, and then you will be sure. Could it be that I have found an angel? I can see heaven in your eyes.